Guys, we're going to swap a ignition switch in a Kubota RTV-900 today, and it's a pretty simple deal. You order the right switch and it fits right in, wires plug in. It's no real big fancy thing, but anyway, I'm going to try to do this with one hand. So what I've done is there's some little notches here. I took my carb tuning screwdriver, stuck it in here, took some pliers, and I just hit the little groove and spun the retaining collar so it is loose. You just grab the ignition switch and pull it out from underneath. It's got a push tab here. Push the tab down and just pull the switch out. And as far as actually installing the new switch, you just unscrew the retaining nut. Hook the wires back up and stick the switch up in through the hole in there. It's an oblong type hole, so it doesn't really matter which direction the switch actually goes in there. And let me pull it up there, and just gonna take the nut, put the nut back on, and I'm gonna take these pliers and just snug the nut up. Put the key in, and the key should go all the way, and it does. And turn the key. And it springs back, unlike the other one. If you like this kind of video, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I do a few little different things other than just chainsaws.